after that you go back to the recordings. Right click, create. Okay, we have the shader graph, URP lead shader graph. Okay, create shader graph. Create. Okay, shader graph, URP lead shader graph. Okay, grayscale, lightness. So we look at the lightness formula is a maximum RGB plus minimum RGB divided by 2. This one slightly complicated a bit, okay, and very lengthy. Okay, so same thing, we start with our textures, Okay, so texture 2D, you can put it an image here. Okay, so now we wanted to find the maximum range, and this maximum also 2 only. So we means that we need two maximums. Actually, you can close it to make it smaller size, so it won't like too annoying. Okay, so we wanted to check, is it the RGB, which one is the maximum? Okay, now we connected to this one. Okay, and B is here. Okay, so we check which RGB is the maximum's value. Okay, then we wanted to check minimum. Now we wanted to check minimum. Okay, minimum, we close this, make it smaller as well. Okay, Control C, Control V to have another minimum here. So same thing, R, which one is the minimum? RG or B is the minimum. So this one's connected to B. This one is AB, which is the minimum. And then compare A and B, which one is the minimum. Now we have this already. Okay, we using the add them, we need to sum them and divide it by 2. So we need to have a add. Okay, so we need to have a add. So the maximum plus the minimum. So this is our outcome. So now we wanted to have an average. Okay, so means that is using divide. Okay, divide. Okay, you can close it. Okay, divide the answer divided by 2. So this is the result. Okay, after you get the minimum and maximum. So now you plug this to here. Okay, now you can go to your main preview here. So this is your new lightness grayscale. Okay, same thing, you can group them together. Right click, you can see group selection here. Group selection. Okay, we call it as a grayscale lightness. Okay, so same thing here, we wanted to make our image able to change from in our material. So we need to right click, create, input, texture. Okay, texture 2D asset here. Okay, you choose your image that you want, and then you connect it to your texture. Now you can see this is your answer for your grayscale. Okay, so same thing, save. Okay, so you can make it the game here. Okay, this one lightness, right click, create, material, and we have a grayscale. We call it as a lightness. Okay, so you can attach. Oh, sorry, I forgot to convert to property because now we cannot see the option here. Okay, double click again this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this one Okay, right click, convert to property. Okay, save it. So now you will see your material here. Okay, you will look at your material here. Okay, you can look at your material here. Eh? Okay, we close it. So now you can choose your image here. Okay, whether you want this or you want this. So we put it here. So now this is your new grayscale for lightness. Okay.